Hi folks, welcome back to English Destination. Today I am going to teach you the difference between number and amount. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's begin. We use number for things we can count. For instance, people, horses, dogs, tables and so on. On the contrary, we use amount for things we can't count. For instance, love, courage, water, coffee, and so on. Let's try to understand both these through relevant examples. There is a high number of tents by the lake. There is a large amount of water in the lake. There is a high number of cars on the road. There is a huge amount of traffic on the highway. I have read a large number of books. I read a large amount of information. The chef has cooked a large number of meals. The chef has cooked a large amount of food. Hope you understood well the difference between amount and number through this video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon, and obviously hit your precious comments as well. See you soon in my next video. Till then, keep liking, keep sharing, keep watching, keep learning and keep subscribing. Stay tuned.